has always been an area that has fascinated me. Back when I did my training for medical technology, we certainly had numerous genetics classes, and I always found it very interesting to think of how you can pass things from one generation to another. Genetics testing and finding someone who might be at risk for hereditary cancer is still in its infancy, and there's a lot of education that needs to be done. So I really feel each day when I go out, it's my opportunity to talk to as many physicians that I can and help instill in them the passion of identifying patients who may be at risk. And that's what gets me going in the morning, is knowing that each day I can potentially have a direct impact on someone's life. But we're definitely just at the tip of an iceberg, and whether we're talking hereditary cancers or Alzheimer's or diabetes or cardiovascular disease, autism, pick a medical topic, and undoubtedly within the next few years there will be some kind of a diagnostic test that will be commercially available to the public that they can then utilize in conjunction with their healthcare professional to have an impact on their medical management.
As an account executive, I work in sales with Marian. So I guess just to really put it, I guess to understand it the easiest, my goal is to convince healthcare providers that work with cancer patients that our products and the test results from our products are going to be clinically valuable to how they manage those cancer patients. So a lot of my job revolves around trying to convince physicians of the clinical usefulness of our tests and our products, and for those physicians who already are convinced, to keep them convinced. Because Myriad Genetics is based out of Salt Lake City, Utah, I have the opportunity to work out of my home office in Madison, Wisconsin. And so as a result of that, I spend most of my day traveling to different clinics and different cancer centers, visiting providers who work with cancer patients. I don't spend every day in the same office looking at the same computer screen, and that's just, for me personally, it's something that I appreciate.